Hi everyone, it's Ollie Tech, and today we're going to be doing a Dell Optiplex 3020 small form factor disassembly. So first we start by taking these thumb screws. Just start by taking them out. Then we take off the cover. Here we have the actual PC. I'm going to start off by taking the optical drive out. We unplug the SATA data transfer and SATA power connectors. You lift this slightly up and the optical drive comes out. Then we unplug the SATA cables just like this. Just like so. Then we take off the hard drive caddy. This is where the hard drive or SSD would normally go. So you pull this to the left, which unlocks it. And you just lift it up and it just comes out like that. Then we'll take out this cable, the one that has the SATA. All you have to do is there's a little latch. You pull up here and it releases. Here's the SATA connector. Then we take out the RAM sticks. All you have to do is move this up, the notches, and then the slot just comes out. Close them again, and then 1, 2. Second RAM stick out. Then you unplug the connectors. So in the back here we have the 4-pin and the 8-pin. So we take out the 8-pin and the 4-pin. You just release it like so, just like what we did for the SATA connector. So you have the same release mechanism here. So these cables are out the way. We have to close the RAM notches. Then we unplug all the smaller cables. So we go with this one. Unplug the cooler connector. This cable. The audio cable. This cable. The power switch cord. And literally just every cable that's connected to the actual motherboard are all disconnected. Then you unscrew this, which is what was holding the hard drive caddy in place. So you just unscrew this, like so. Then we take off the CPU cooler. So you just get your normal ordinary screwdriver and unscrew every single bolt on here. You need to make sure that you unscrew equal pressure on each screw, so then it comes off easily and nothing bad happens. So I had the same amount of turns on each one. So as you can see, it's still in place. So that one's out, so it made like a little sound. That one's out. We just need to unscrew this one down a little bit. And the cooler is out. This is just a Haswell 4th generation Intel cooler. Then we unplug this power cable. So all cables are unplugged and we move them out the way if possible. Then we start unscrewing every screw. So on this motherboard, there's 6 screws. First we'll do this one. Then the second one. Third screw. And then the fourth screw. I believe that's every screw on the motherboard. So what you do now, oh no, there is one more screw left at the top. Okay, so what you do now is slowly lift the motherboard out. So there's not a lot of space for it to get taken out. So this is the Dell Optiplex motherboard. The CPU is an i5-4460. So what you have to do is pull this lever down, then out, and then releases this. Then you grab the CPU from the top of the top and then the bottom. Take it out like so. And that's your i5-4460. And then if you want, you can just prop it back in. Put the latch back down, pull it, and then it latches in place. That's the motherboard done. That's the whole PC disassembly completed. If you want to take out the power supply, then all you have to do is take out the 3 screws here on the side that are holding the power supply, and then there's a notch down here, this little blue notch. You push that down, and then the power supply just comes straight out. That's everything for this video, guys. See you guys in the next one.